Hello everyone on my Auto Critic channel. Today I will show you how to fill the lighter with gas. What do we need to fill the lighter with gas? First of all, we need a container with propane butane gas and the lighter itself. Then we take a lighter and hand in the hand. Here we have a hole in the back with which we fill the lighter. Then take a container with propane butane gas from the top above the lighter. Push the container as far as it will go. There is a characteristic ticking, and we have a full lighter. We can repeat the action 2-3 times. Then we are sure that the lighter is completely full. That was it for that was end for this episode. Thank you for your attention. Greetings to all viewers and subscribers. See you to the next episode. Bye.